So you're probably watching this video today because you're putting off your estate planning. Why? Maybe you're one of those people that puts off making big decisions. And I'm here to tell you, I completely understand. Some people think I'm too young to be planning for my death. Or maybe I don't want to think about that. It's morbid. Or maybe you think, you know what, it's too expensive. Or I can just Google something and get the forms and do it myself. Well, I'm here to tell you that hiring an experienced attorney and not doing it that way is similar to going to see a doctor to have your tumor removed versus Googling your symptoms on the internet. So I find myself often telling folks as an estate planning attorney that the wrong estate plan is not necessarily going to cost you your life, but it certainly will cost your family a mountain of stress, a lot of money, a lot of time. So many of our clients are unprepared for some of the ways that their estate plan can affect their family. Some of the things that we've helped people do are prevent your trust funds from going to an ex-spouse, keep your children from another spouse to have control over your own child's assets, or even leave them out completely. Another thing that we often find is that we can create a plan that protects your family from having to go through the probate process at all. That can save significant amount of money. In one instance, we saved a family over $70,000 in probate administration fees simply by creating and implementing a proper plan. So when you take situations like these into account, it's not a question of whether you can afford to hire an estate planning attorney, but really whether you can afford not to. And the relationship has to be one of trust. I'm not saying you need to hire my firm, but you need to hire an estate planning attorney that knows what they're doing and that is experienced in handling your particular situation. So I know if you're home and you're watching this video, you probably have a lot of questions. And I'm here to tell you, we as your trusted advisors are here to help. Because remember, an ounce of estate planning is worth its weight in gold.